Hello guys, Ashley here. Today I'm going to do a unboxing video, something completely different than restorations and whatnot, but I do have a big project coming up. I decided to do unboxings of the tools that I'll be using in the future, as in new tools. So I've got a electronic cordless air duster, bought it off Amazon. I've opened it up already to test it. It works, so I didn't actually return it. Satisfaction guaranteed, damn right. Built-in light at the front, so you can use it in the dark. Powerful and it works. It's powerful. Free game mode, slow, medium, and turbo. I call turbo. It's actually called fast. Longer running time than the previous one. I've never used the previous one, so I don't know what that's like. The manufacturer is that. I will put the link in the description for this in case you want to buy it. It is pretty cheap. I bought it because I needed one and it was cheap. I can't be bothered to read them out, but if you pause the video, you can read the instructions or scan the barcode. It's made in China, as most things are. And charging is a USB Type C, 5 volts, 2 amps. The maximum power is 68 watts. Airflow is 7.2 Kelvin per whatever. I don't know what's the KP. Can't speak English. You get the point. You can use it in -10 up to 50. I think it has a built-in. If it gets too hot, I think it turns itself off. I haven't tested that yet. Charging temps, I guess it gets up to 60 Celsius, and then I don't know. The dimensions is pretty small, pretty lightweight. That's the bottom. If you ever want to see the bottom of it. Fragile, this is the way you open it, slightly waterproof. Okay, let's open this up. Like I said, I have opened this up already to test it, so what you're about to see isn't from the manufacturer, okay? So you get a nice little bag here. I put it all inside the bag. I try not to go off camera this time, as I normally do. So that's the box. Spoilers, it works. Super fragile as well. Right, so I'll put you there. There. Right, so it comes with an empty box. It comes with instructions as well. Pretty much what I explained, basically what I just explained there. If you want to contact the support for any questions, they do normally reply within 24 hours. I haven't tested it yet. I don't want to test it. How to use. Insert USB cable to fully charge it. Blah 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 blah. Yep. You can pause the video and read it. And this is the other side. No, I've never seen that before. Cool. Other side is these are the tools that you're supposed to get with it, which we will go through. More instructions. Oh, you've already seen that side. Right, so that goes in that box. Put the box away. Without turning it on again, let's have a look. Right, so you get a nozzle attachment. Little, is it nylon? I think it's nylon bristles. Hopefully it's going to pour out on camera because I can't tell. Where's my cut-off point? There's my cut-off point. So, you got that? You got the USB cable, Type C. Let's put you down here. Ignore this. This is like trying to be permanent, not temporary thing now. This is my new table. It's like every single video you see me using a different type of table. We have a hairdresser's hair colouring brush. Like I said, I will be using these in the next video, or some of them anyway. We got another type of nozzle. It's like a vacuum cleaner. It's like a miniature vacuum cleaner, bit in reverse. Obviously, you got your nylon brush. Focus is pretty okay today, I think. What else have I got? Got another one here. Don't know what that could be for. Put you there. I think that's an attachment for something else. That goes into the end of the duster and that's something else. Is that for that? Wait, is that for that? No. We'll come to that in a minute. Put you there. What else have we got? It's that bloody Christmas this. We've got a double-sided vacuum. Why am I off camera? Come on. A double-sided one. Don't know what I don't know what that could be for. Let's find out in a bit. No, we dropped it. I've got it. What else have we got? Is that it? I think that's it. But we'll find out. I like to keep things pre-packed. Like after I use it, I pack it up. So it comes in a not so much of airtight waterproof bag. It's got a hole in it. Is there anything else in this bag actually? No. Okay. So that's the bag. That's not a bag. This is the thing. I have not taken the stickers off because I do not like taking stickers off. In case I get drunk and I forget how to use it. Never gonna happen. Just put the bag here so you can see it. Right, so this is the charge indicator. It's tiny. When it's in charge, as in charging, it flashes red. When it's fully charged, it's a solid green light. A small little problem I've got with it is because the hole where the LED is so small, it's hard to see it. You have to look at it really close or on an angle. So in the dark is better for that. Press for freeze to start. I think it means 3 seconds, but as we found out, it works instantly. So that's when airflow comes out. It's got a nice little filter inside. I'm sure the filter's meant to be at the back where the air goes in, but no. The filter's on the outlet. That's the little light, so you can use it in the dark. Manufacturer's name though. That's where your USB charger port is. It's pretty heavy. Mainly at the motor end. It's fine. And we're going to say it's probably because it's so heavy, it must have a massive battery, but I think I do believe it has a big battery right about here-ish. I can't find out. Can I open it? Nope, that's sealed. Okay. She's not trying to break it. That's the water. That's the air inlet. Pretty freaking cool to be honest. 1. Press power button 3 seconds to turn the product on. For details, please refer to the user manual, which is in the box now. 2. The power is low. The power is low battery. points fully charged before using charge indicator next to the charger port, which is there. That's a screw hole. Okay, so yes, that works. Cool. Right, so you have to hold it for 3 seconds to turn it on, yes? Okay, fine. Let's hold it on for 3 seconds. I can't give you an example. Okay, so that's one. That's one. That's two. That's three. And believe me, it is so powerful. Press it again to turn it off. It is so bloody powerful. When I bought this and I unpacked it and it works, I fell in love with it instantly. As you should do with new things. I've blown the plastic bag away. I can't unpack it, repack it now. But yeah, so the attachments are that goes in like that. That goes into there like that. Stay. I've got it. And that goes in like that. Oh, shit. And do you not skin if you push them in too far, it is a ridge on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, there's a ridge on the inside. You can probably see it there now, I think. There. Whatever. So you can't push it in too far. This one's ideal for cleaning keyboards and stuff. I just moved the camera. Wow, epic. This is ideal for cleaning keyboards and stuff like that. Charger cable, obviously. Let's see if I can unplug the camera without it dying and plug it into here. I'll show you the indicators. I don't know if you can see it, but it's flashing in there. I can't even turn the main light on. It's not even charging. Alright. How dare you? There you go, now it's charging. Well, there you go, now you can see. So it flashes red when it's charged, and it's a solid green light when it's fully charged. Why have you stopped charging? Is it because my USB block is snapping? Yes, or whatever. You get the point. Nice little rattle to it. I don't know why. So yeah, these are the things that you get with it. That's the thing. That's the box. Thank you for watching. Oh, bad. Thanks a lot for watching, and you'll see me in the next video. Bear in mind, if you prefer me to talk in my videos, let me know in the comments. If you prefer the silence and relaxing music, let me know as well. Feedback will be appreciated. Something I can improve or disimprove. If that's a word. But yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.